This is the Anatomage virtual dissection table, and we just got it in June. So very excited to have it, to implement it into our curriculum for student learning.
Being able to be more hands-on with this, seeing the different angles instead of just a 2D mechanism, we get to see the different layers of the muscles, how they all interlaced, and then get to better understand the origins, insertions, and motions of each muscle. So being able to see from above, the sides, and in the front and back will be so much more helpful than just being able to see something on a sheet of paper.
We are the only program in the country for athletic training that has diagnostic ultrasound courses.
Having the MSK ultrasound is really nice because it's something that I would say sets me apart from others. Knowing some of my other colleagues that I went to undergrad with, they don't necessarily get as much of a thorough athletic training element. A lot of them ended up going like exercise science routes or something like that for their masters, whereas here we get, along with the ultrasound, we get kinesiotape certification, we get some EMT coursework, things like that that I don't tend to see at a lot of other places that I think really have benefited me as far as athletic training goes.
This is our DEXA scanner. It stands for Dual Energy X-ray Absorptiometry, and it's really the gold standard for measuring bone mineral density and body fat composition in anyone from a child to an older adult.
I have been really active in a project funded by the North Dakota Beef Commission where we're looking at animal-based protein and its effect on muscular health as people age.
So the Vicon motion capture system we have is the same sort of technology that people use to for animation in movies and those kinds of things.
We put these reflective markers on our patients and subjects that are coming in for our research studies, and we might put these on certain bony landmarks, so hips, knees, ankles, and our cameras track the positioning of these reflectors throughout the room, and we use that to generate a 3D model that allows us to look at joint angles and how they might be developing power and moving, or how their disability might affect them.
We have students that are at the collegiate level, high schools, working in clinics. We've had some that have gone on to further education, whether it be physical therapy school, med school. So when our students leave here, they are successful.
And we have 100% job placement rate. It really depends on what they want to do. They're able to find jobs in those settings.